these delays. Hong Kong's HashKey exchange to list Chainlink for professional investors. So this is about one exchange. But again, I just want to show you China is allowing these things to begin to roll out now. Now it's beginning to roll out. And this is for professional investors. So we're talking about the big boys. We're talking about the whales. Bang! That's what we want. That's what we want. Whale money. Big boy money. Soccer mom and dad are tapped out. All right? We've talked about this a million times. They brought us up to $2 trillion, a two-piece chicken, but then they weak-handed. Now we're down to 1.3. Right? We were down to less. We were down to like 1.1 a bunch of months ago. And so, but that's what we want professional investors because they don't weak-hand. Unless they're shorting something, which isn't weak-handing, you're crushing something. So this is what we want. We want the pros to come in. And like I said, those Chinese pros, they're looking for a place to park their money. Real estate is over. That market ain't going to come back for fucking decades. Decades, Shomari. Yeah, dog. There are whole towns of just condo apartment buildings that are empty. Nobody lives in them. Right? Can you imagine a building, a fucking 30-story building with 5 people living in it? One on the 3rd floor, one on the 6th floor, one on the 10th floor, one on the 15th, one on the 20th. Maybe the penthouse, that's the level. Yeah, Google that shit if you think I'm joking around. You guys, if you're new to this channel, let me tell you something. I don't bullshit, right? I tell my people the truth because the truth will set you free. But honestly, the truth is what you need to be a real investor, right? To be a successful investor, you need the real numbers, the real data, the real stuff, right? So on this channel, we don't bullshit. I don't blow sunshine. I don't talk conspiracy talk. It's straight chicken around here, okay? And so trust me when I tell you that, all those billionaires, well, they're getting wiped out in the real estate market. And it's not like here in America where the Chinese government's going to bail you out. No, if you invested and it fucked up, that's tough. That's tough shit, right? China has one company called Evergrande. They're $300 billion in debt. Yeah, China's not bailing them out. China's telling them, well, sell some assets, motherfucker. Do what you got to do. Right? They're not like America, where we bail out the rich. Oh, poor little rich guy. Here, let's give you a couple billion to help you out. Fuck no. China doesn't do that. China doesn't do that shit. You took a risk, you played the game, you lost. Tough, right? That's how China looks at it, which is how it should be, right? You bought all those subprime, like in the housing market here in America, right? All the subprime mortgages these guys made. Yeah, and then we bailed them out. Yeah, if that were China, tough shit. Tough shit. You all knew the fucking risks, right? I mean, how do you feel about that listening to me right now? I mean, no one bails me out when I lose a trade. But if you're new to this channel, I'm a professional Forex trader, right? My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I mean, look at me. I look like a homeless man. I don't even shave my hair, my face. Yeah, because I don't have to go to some job, all right? My money reports to me, right? I don't report to anyone. And so trust me, that's how I talk to you on this channel. I want you to get, Master talk. I talk to you like a market person, not, with crypto speak. Hey guys, wait for the halving in April. That's bullshit. I tell you the truth. Look, by April, there's going to be lots of money coming here. I don't bullshit you with that kind of nonsense. All right, but this is what I want to show you. So now this is for the pros. I just read to you about for the spot ETF for the retailers. This is for the pros. Now, this is about Chainlink, but it's a listing for Chainlink. So it's not a Chainlink to the rescue, right? Chainlink's not coming to the rescue of anyone. They're just being listed by this HashKey, okay? So let's read about this. The crypto exchange plans to open trading of Link on November 10th. So 3 days from now. Link rose 4% in the last 24 hours. HashKey Exchange, a licensed. That's the difference. That's how it works in China, motherfucker. licensed crypto exchange based in Hong Kong, plans to list Chainlink's Link token, the company said. HashKey announced today that the trading of the Link USD pair will begin at 4 p.m. Hong Kong time on November 10th. The exchange has already opened the deposits and withdrawals for Link. So there you go. If you're hearing me in China or Hong Kong, we'll go get you some Link. The trading, however, will only be available for professional investors, according to the statement, which is fine for us, because that's the big money, the pros. We want the pros in here. Got to gentrify this place, get these miscreants out here and get the pros in here. The price of Link climbed 4%. In July, Chainlink launched its cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, in its early access phase. And in September, the CCIP went live on Base, a layer 2 blockchain network incubated by Coinbase. So a really quick article, but I just wanted to show you, that, Hong Kong's coming full force, which means China is coming full force for their retailers and their professional investors. And it's these pros that really need to get their money out of real estate and into something else, right? And so this story is about Chainlink, but obviously this company HashKey is going to list a lot of shit. A lot of different cryptos, right? They're allowed, right? So there's a nice story for Chainlink, but I want you to understand that they're going to list lots of cryptos, this HashKey thing, right? And exchange. And so here it comes. And for the pros. And so if I'm a hedge fund, a Chinese hedge fund, yeah, well, I'm going to be able to buy Chainlink for my clients from this thing. And as HashKey exchange lists more and more tokens, I can buy those for my clients because it's regulated, right? The tokens are regulated in China. This exchange is regulated in China. And so it's these kind of things that I want you to see and what I want you to get happy about, and why I am so bullish on Q2 next year is that we're going to see lots of money flowing into these types of investment vehicles. Today we read about 2 from Hong Kong. I'm going to keep you up to date on Europe investment vehicles, the Europeans. That's a lot of old money right there too. So this is what we want to hear. They've been regulated. June 1st, bang, regulations came. Now it's July, August, September, October, November. Wait, June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's been 6 months. The lawyers have gotten it. They know what they're allowed to offer. And now we're beginning to see the investment vehicles coming out. And we will begin to see the more investment vehicles that come out is the more money that will flow in from institutions and retailers. So